Okay, next project is this IBM Lenovo ThinkPad. The screen's gone bad, and I've always had a broken USB port I mutilated. So I want to see if I can replace the USB port, replace the screen. I've never taken it apart. We'll see what happens. What's this? This is the battery? Okay. Oh, it's missing one. Looks like it's missing a screw already. Keyboard. Let's see. They just look like Phillips head screws. They're all a lot of the screws are loose, or finger tight at best. Okay, do I? Maybe missing a screw. I should mark that. I don't know. This screw has a little keyboard. Where's my? Up here, where? That's this little, not keyboard. I don't know, jack. Some kind of. I guess that's more like the screen plug or something. I don't know. I don't know what it's supposed to reflect. I'm guessing there's nothing under the rubber feet. There's a screw right next to it. This kind of little hatch thing. Come out the final way. What the heck's going on here? Shit. This one will come out. This one. Okay, a little hat. Are they? Oh, they're captured screws. These ones have little rings on them to prevent them from coming out. Like this. Okay. What's all this crap? It's the SSD memory. Clock. That little door, but this one's jammed. captive nut. What is down here? I don't know. Okay, and then a couple more screws in the case. Well, that's kind of the case, but of course, looks like there's more holding the case down. You know, like that screw, for instance. Photograph. So potentially one here, one here maybe. I don't think these are in the way though. Here. When I took this one out, it felt like the case relaxed a bit. These may be important ones to get on. Unless the trick is I'm actually not supposed to access it from behind. I'm supposed to take it off from the keyboard side. Bring this closer. Because this isn't doing anything. Like I don't feel like anything is loosened up at all. And this I don't really see, I don't know. I'm suspicious this is the wrong side to attack from. Can I do anything here? Yeah, there isn't anything up here. Unless maybe there's screws under those rubber feet after all. Doesn't seem like it. Nope, they're just rubber feet. Jeez. Oh, well there's a couple more screws there. What's this one's a weird one. They're all identical, so I feel like I'm taking all this. I'm not taking off ancillary stuff. What's I wonder how the memory comes out. I got this SSD that's... Is that holding things down? Okay, Samsung solid state. That's not doing a whole lot for me. Maybe it's time to use the budger thing. Get a bit more aggressive. How do I do this? Gotta do a plastic one. I feel like I'm breaking some, yeah, it feels like I'm pressing in some detents. I don't know. Yeah, there's like little fingers that I'm pressing. So it's somewhat lifted. Here it is anyway. Hey, off. Get you. Yeah, I guess this is the way to do it. scary. I'm supposed to use these discs. Is this the better way to do it? These are too fine. Maybe it is. Just shove them in a bit deeper, at least here. Oh, don't get lost. It's still clinging. I mean, it still holds hard. It's like the keyboard needs. I wonder if I need to take the keyboard off because it's holding down. It's holding down. It's pinning from. I can pry the edges off, but the inside's getting held down by the damn keyboard. Keyboards, what like nowhere apparent. Okay. Maybe I should go softly here. Well, I really lost that little thing. Shit. Well, I'm gonna stop for now before I cause problems. Do some research. Okay, so there's more screws. I didn't get all the screws out before I do more damage. Okay, so there's a bunch here behind the battery. There's a lot all over the place. So. And these are different size. What's, gross. That's a Phillips head that's round. Oh, jeez. Why are they stuck? Why are these screws stuck? They're Phillips. What in the heck? Oh my God. They're just tearing out this. Oh God, this will be impossible. Ah, jeez. This screw is a Phillips. But this screw did not want to come out. And my Phillips is the right size. I'm just destroying the goddamn screw. Are you kidding me? I don't think I have a... I'll go one more size up. Oh, that's a trick. I didn't have a big enough one. I think I can probably take it out though. So, all the main case screws are the same size, luckily. These are not. Oh, here's one I missed. And these ones labeled with a little mark are keyboard screws. That's off. That's oh, okay. And I think this comes off. Take this off, and there is this. This comes out. This is floating in there. I removed the DVD drive on here and it's been replaced with another hard drive, if I recall properly. I don't know if it's an SSD or what. It might have been the original hard drive, I don't know. Alright, anything else? Okay, so I'm jumping ahead. The keyboard's got to come off. Yeah, pushes back down. Keyboard. See, I took the. Okay, there. There we go. Got that? Yeah. Does this pull out or what? Where are you? This one here. The one beside it, has a little flip lever. It looks like this one does. It looks like this one does too, does it? Shit, that one's done. I think it does. Let me try to. Yeah, let's see what it does. Because it doesn't want to pull out, certainly. That put up a bit of a struggle. That was a keyboard look. Seems okay. Okay, now there's more screws to rescue. I'll just tape these on place. All the stickers on here say like manufactured around March 2015. Is that? How are we? Okay, we got some connector here. This crap. All right. Flip up, come out easy. Oh, and the tape. Oh, what is that? Tape came off this one. That's not good. Shoot. Where is that? Here. Tape. Tape came off. I try to glue that back on or something. I don't know. Okay, there we are. Okay, so my issue is first broken USB port here. This one is totally screwed up. Okay. So I would need to take the whole motherboard off. So how do I do that? It looks like a couple cables and a bunch of screws. Live? Oh, stupid thing. There's a little bit of a coffee stain in there. Looks like. How's that gonna be? So I'm gonna want to replace this one. Where are you? This one here. How's that gonna be? Anything look really weird? It doesn't. Shit, I think I see. Is this finger? Is this finger intentional? Or did I jammed out? I think it's the finger from inside the USB pushed out and jammed out onto the motherboard, probably shorting out those two pins. Yeah. Lovely. Yeah. You can see this is the bad USB port, and it shoved one of the pins the whole way back into the motherboard area. Okay. All right. So I've got to take 1, 2, 3. I'm going to take 3 of these off. Okay. So this. Oh, easy ones. These ones with the white just flip and come out. Okay. White, flip. This one, it's gonna, okay, let's look at this one in more detail. It's got some kind of connector over it, or insulator over it, I don't know. What's going on here? What is it anyway? It's like is this the screen connector? Maybe, I don't know. What's this plastic crap? How do I get this off? That's a problem. If I just peel this crap off. Okay, lift that back. That flips up. And that pulls out. Okay. All right. So this little board thing here, this thing, the question is, do I pull it out? It almost looks like I could. That was dumb. Oh dear. Nah. That was stupid. Great. Well, if I'm lucky, I can just cover that up with some solder mask. What is the thing anyway? Like a wire? I'm suspecting it's a wireless thing. Jeez, that's a deep gouge. These come off? M says. Yep, they do. Yep, that's the answer. Underneath that was a screw, which you can't see. Where is it? Oh yeah, here. That's probably going to be the key. Yep. Okay. Alright, so that flips, it pops in. What exactly is it? Yeah, it's got an FCC thing on it. It's the radio, I guess. Okay. Let me screw that screw back in if I can. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, so does that give me, how does that set me up for this? Oh, come on. Better. There's some plugs. Okay, so now I see there's a few plugs. What else? Those actually aren't what's... Can I pull it? Nope. Not yet. I need to yank these. Bunch of connectors. 3 of them. 1, 2, and 3. I think they should be straightforward. Let's get a photo. Okay, that's disconnected. Okay. Ooh, this one came off without me doing anything. There's a 4th one. That's a fragile connector too. Okay, so this is more up now. I gotta pull it back. Why are you getting What is it getting bound up on? Is the fan doesn't look like it's blocking it, but is it? Is the fan getting in the way? The heat sink is connecting the fan and the motherboard. That's probably what it is. Okay. That's probably what's going on. Yep. That was it. How do I... Still... These are the hinge. This is the monitor hinge. I don't think that needs to come off. Does this... I don't really like peeling this very hard because I don't want to break the... Oh, man. I mean, there's a million wires on this thing. I don't want to be manhandling this and it won't come up very nice. Can I hot air gun pull it off? And anyway, it's still not... Yeah, it's... It's stuck on here still. Just teasing it. I think it's gonna come. Stupid videos port. Why? This video port here is... There we go. It just needed a lot of persuading. Yep, and there the fan is connected to the CPU. Okay. Well, that's it. Oof. Okay. It's not a very big board. Alright, so that's the case.